So I'm trying to get myself together because we're getting ready to go to the mall. And I had to finish polishing my nails. I left this hand unpolished for like shit a week. But yeah, going to the mall, and then when I come back I have to do some cleaning, so I'll be cleaning the bathroom. I already did one bathroom before I got dressed, but when we get back I'll be cleaning the other two, so I'll get everything cleaned up. I might even clean my closet, declutter it and organize it and get it to a better system. When I get a chance, I'll get that done, and I will let you guys come along when I clean up the bathroom. This camera that I have here is too heavy to take for vlogging, so I have another camera that I ordered. It's another Canon camera. It's a cheaper version than what I have now, but it should be good enough to take with me when I go to the mall and do a little bit of shopping in the stores and things instead of using my phone. Okay. So this is the bathroom that I cleaned before we left. I'm about to start working on my son's bathroom. For the most part, he's responsible for his own bathroom, but I know that he will not scrub it down the way that I will, so that's why I'm doing it for him today. I think I saw your hands slipping down. I looked the face smiling back at you. Here's why you always wanna be around. The pajamas that I have on, guys, my husband, he hates them. Every time I put them on, he's just like, oh my God, there she go again with those pants. And he's the one that purchased them when I was pregnant with my son. Boy, I can't be sexy all day. Shit. Well, I can be sexy all day, but sometimes I don't want to be. So the reason why we have a shower curtain up in our bathroom is because my youngest son, he likes to bust in on me while I'm in the tub or the shower. But if I'm in the tub, I could just sink under the bubbles. But if I'm in the shower, I'm like caught off guard. And someone may say, why don't you just lock the door? I do lock the door, but he picks the lock. This dry brush up here from Walmart. This is the one that I like to use for my dry brushing before I shower. I save a couple of dollars now by buying my shave cream from the Dollar Tree. These are the lashes that I had on earlier today. I carry them on my website every now and then, and I think I will order a few more pairs.
song on repeat, 'cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. Do what's right, you say you will, but then you don't. You just don't. You don't care, 'cause you don't take me seriously. What's there to repair if you don't?
We were out of Swiffer pads, and I had to use this old mop that I really don't like using.
Time is up, I'm out, I'm done. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So we thought I would let this live. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. So we thought I would let this live. Thought you knew me so much better. So we thought I would let this live. Thought you knew me so much better. Yeah, yeah. So we thought I would let this live. No, that's right. Your words don't mean a thing to me. Sleepless night, your love has left us incomplete. Thinking that your promises will fizzle out. No, that's right. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So we thought I would.
Keep finishing up the shower. The solution that I put on it when I first started my bathroom is set in, so now it's time to get that stuff off.
So we thought I would let this live. Thought you knew me so much better. 'Cause I don't. So we thought I would let this live. Thought you knew me so much better. So we thought I would let this live. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and now you never feel my presence. So we thought I would let this live. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. So we thought I would let this live. Thought you knew me so much better. Thought you knew me so much